Hello and welcome to Pacbrake's install video series. Today we will be installing a HP10155 amp air spring kit on a 2012 Ford F150. The installation of this kit is applicable to all 2010 to 2015 Ford F150 in 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. The estimated install time for this kit is around 1.5 hours, but you may be able to complete it much quicker depending on your mechanical experience. Please read the install manual that came with your kit carefully before conducting the installation, as this video is by no means a replacement to the manual. You can find your install manual and more at pacbrake.com/HP10155. Let's get started. The first step to the installation is to park your vehicle on a level surface, raising and supporting the rear axle onto 2 jack stands, and removing the rear wheels. Next, remove both bump stops by removing the hex bolt. This is only a demonstration as our vehicle has been previously modified and no longer utilizes a bump stop. Insert the included J-bolt into the frame as shown. Fasten both the top bracket against the frame using the J-bolt and included flange nuts. The top brackets have a driver and passenger side. Ensure it is installed correctly for the passenger side as shown. Fasten the bump stop back to their original location. Again, this is only a demonstration as our vehicle no longer utilizes a bump stop. Loosely fasten the bottom bracket to the air springs with the included large washers and hex bolts. Install the air spring as shown and loosely fasten the included hex nut to the air inlet. Insert the U-bolts into the bottom bracket and fasten them with the included washers and nylon locking nuts. Saw off the excess length of bolt. Torque the nuts to 16 foot-pounds. Fasten the NPT air fitting to the air springs. Tighten the hex nut to the air inlet and the hex bolt on the bottom bracket. Install the air line to the vehicle through the license plate mounting holes. Sandwich the Schrader valve by using the included hex nut and flat washers and route the air lines to the air springs. Perform a leak test to ensure the air fitting is fastened airtight. Inflate the air spring and spray soapy water over the fitting and observe no bubbling occurs. In this demonstration, if bubbling occurs, tighten the air fitting until the bubbling stops and wipe the area dry. Spray soapy water again to ensure it is airtight. Congratulations! You've just completed the install of your amp air spring kit. If you have questions or concerns, please contact Pacbrake at 1-800-663-0096 to talk to one of our qualified customer support team reps, or visit our website at www.pacbrake.com, which has all the technical support you'll need. Don't forget to register your warranty with us to take advantage of the lifetime warranty on your air springs. For your additional air needs, you can also upgrade your system with amp air springs control, air compressors, or air tanks. To stay up to date on all Pacbrake products, like and subscribe to our channel below. Thanks for watching.